Review the instructions. Have them handy while installing the closer. You should know by now whether you want the 120 degree or 180 degree installation. Measure and mark the dimensions for the installation position you choose. Take a number 7 or 7/32 drill bit and drill your holes. For metal doors, it's important to use a tap so the machine screws will thread properly. The proper tap size is a 1/4 20. Attach the closer on the door with the speed valves facing the hinge. Now match up the closer and start 2 screws by hand to hold it in place. Tighten using a drill. Now refer to the instructions for the location of the arm mounting holes. Measure and mark the holes. Using the same number 7 or 7/32 drill bit, drill the holes in the frame. Now use the 1/4 20 tap to thread the holes. Attach the base to the frame. Now you need to adjust the arms so the threaded piece angles perpendicular to the door. Check the alignment, but do not put the arm on the shaft. First, take a wrench to the bottom of the shaft. It only turns one way, and turn it approximately 30 degrees, and until the arm slips onto the shaft. Take the screw with the washers and secure the arm to the top of the shaft. It is now time to open and test the door. If the door opens freely, closes at a satisfactory speed, does not slam, then your door is fine and ready to be used. If it closes too fast, too slow, or slams shut, take the hex key provided and move to the side closest to the hinges. Here you will see 2 valves, one with an S for sweep and one with an L for latch. Try adjusting these and opening the door every time you do so until you reach a desired speed. If you have a non-standard door and an adjustable closer, refer to the instructions that calculate how many turns on the spring-powered adjustment valve are required. Again, test the door when you are done adjusting.